started as well. It scares me every time I take the stand off. Okay. So the last time you would have seen me, vlogging, I guess you would say, on this channel was back drifting in my Skyline, which I no longer own. It's been actually about 3.5 years since I've actually owned my own car. Yeah, so I moved from Auckland, now living in Wellington, and all I have is this little 2017 Suzuki GSX250R, and I'm hoping you can hear me. But I thought we'd just get out, see how the new tech is going, which is, you know, actually what inspired me to get the channel back up and running. So a lot has changed in the last 3 and a bit years. As I said earlier, I left Auckland. Nothing Fancy Drift Days ended right around COVID time. COVID happened, there were no track days. Motorsport New Zealand rules changed, so it got a bit hard. But I packed up Auckland, moved to Wellington. I now do nothing to do with cars, nothing in the automotive industry anymore. I don't own a car, which is the weirdest thing to say, is not owning a vehicle anymore. The only vehicle I own is actually just this. It's my daily commuter. Oh, but boy, it is cold out here today. Holy damn. I've never been out this far before down this road, so I've got no idea where it goes. It just looked good. But, oh, look at that scenery. Hey. Oh. But damn, it is getting chilly. Yeah, I think this will do me. Yeah, this is my first time doing a motorcycle vlog, and it feels so weird. Even though I guess I was used to being in front of a camera a few years ago, I guess times have changed. Got to get reacquainted, if you must. This was basically recorded from the DJI Osmo Action 4. Settings are all set to auto. The mic is set to -12 on the gain. But yeah, you know, if you've got any tips or tricks with camera settings, microphone settings, anything like that, oh, please feel free, drop a comment below. I'm more than happy to hear it. Positive, negative, whatever it is. You know, just trying to revive the channel, bring it back, and just see what we can do with it. Let's have a quick gaze. Whew. Holy shit. Look at that. This is Wellington, folks. Wow. Absolutely stunning. And there's a little gem. A little GSX250R. 2017. Yeah, it's got some bumps and bruises. I mean, it is second hand after all. Well, that ending did not go to plan. The camera died. I guess that was my own fault for not checking how much percentage was left on the battery. I'm going to be trying to upload some regular content, hopefully at least once a week. There'll be little shorts in there as well. But yeah, stick around. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. If you want to see some more content, drop a comment as well. Let me know what I can do, what could be better, what's good already. Tips, tricks, whatever it is, drop it down below. See you again soon. Ride safe.